Welcome to Business 320 Logistics and Supply Chain Management. I'm Professor Kramer and I will be your instructor for this course. I look forward to getting to know you and your experiences, your skills, your knowledge. As you are probably aware, supply chain has become quite a hot topic in the last few years, centering around things such as supply chain disruption, delivery issues, delays, shortages, uncertainty, loss of business, and customer frustration. Our course will primarily focus on procurement, which is the process of purchasing goods and services, and we'll also take a look at logistics, which is managing how resources are acquired, stored, and transported to their final destination. We'll be exploring some very exciting topics, including warehousing, transportation, packaging, inventory, and customer relationship management. Please feel free to reach out to me if you have any questions. I look forward to working with you, and I hope you enjoy the class.